Today we learn cross motor activities with balloon. Let's begin. Student, first we have to right hand and tap with right hand only, and our left hand should be on our back side. The activities for the small kids. So students, first we are doing tap the balloon with the right hand. So begin with your right hand, your left hand on your back side, and you have to tap your balloon with right hand. So first we have to do with the 10 count. So start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and catch. Student, when you fall up, you have to use your fingertips and little higher, not too much higher, because when you throw it's go higher. So you have to coordinate with your fingers with your balloon. So now with left hand 10 times. Now my right hand on my back and left hand only go and tap the balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now again with right hand. Now we are doing 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Catch. A student, when you are tapping the balloon, you have to focus it on at your balloon only, and you have to look up and down. So now with left hand 15 times. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Catch. So right hand to right hand tap and left hand tap. Now do with alternative hands. Like first we have to throw the balloon with our right hand, then left hand. I will show you, like one tap with right hand, one tap to left hand, like this. So student, first we have to do with 10 times. So start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to do with 20 times alternative hands. So begin. Enjoy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Catch. So we done alternative hand also. Student, whenever you are doing alternative hand, you have to move right hand to left hand side. So next one is we have to throw the higher and catch. Like you have to throw and you have to catch. You have to throw with your both hand and catch, receive. So when we are throwing the balloon up, we have to receive. Open the fingers with open fingers. So throw and catch with 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So to throw the balloon up and we catch the balloon. One is we have to throw the balloon up and catch with the clap. Like start with 10 counts and you have to count your clap, how many claps you are done. See, first I will count my claps like 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Do this activity continuously like 1, 2, 3 times. Now next one, you have to, for the balloon you have to throw with your right hand like this, and you have to tap your opposite. When the balloons come down, you have to do your right hand opposite manner. Okay, and tap with alternative sides. First front side strong, then back side. So start with 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now with left hand, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now same thing with alternative hands. Like when you are throw with right hand, so you have to do with left hand. So start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now student, we will take 2 balloons and we have to tap with 2 balloons with our right hand to left hand like 1, 2, 3, and try the balloon will not hit in the ground. So you have to tap the balloon up and keep tapping continuously with 20 counts. So start 1, 2, oh, start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sometimes red balloons comes to your right hand side, and sometimes the balloon comes your left hand side. So it's up to you. Have to coordinate which side the balloon comes. So you have to tap with the alternative hand. Now start with. Now again we have to do the same thing. So start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Give the challenge to your parents, to your friend, how many tapping they will do. Bat, which one is a table tennis bat. If you don't have a table tennis bat, you have to take anything which one is available at your home, like notebook, badminton. You will take anything which one is comfortable for your zone. So you have to tap with badminton. If you don't have a badminton, you have to take. If you don't have anything, you have to take diary, notebook. Which one is the heavy one, not the loose one, because when you throw the balloon with your notebook, it's not going to higher. So you have to take heavy notebook, but be careful, it's comfortable for taking your hand. So you have to do with notebook. Now on tennis bat, so you have to do with this. You have to do tap with bat. So I'm holding it back like this way. So it's up to you. So start with 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's up to you how many. Now I will give you the challenge. How many tap with the bat notebook? So let's see. Now let's see. I will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now I'm changing my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm changing the skills. First I will tap with the red part, then the black part. See. So student, you will give the challenge with your partner, with your family members, but the terms and condition you have to give the time. Like first you have to do with the 30 seconds, then 1 minute. It's up to you. So student, today we are doing the gross motor activities with the balloon. It's a very useful activity to increase our coordination with our mind and many more things. So students, hope you like the video, enjoy this activity and do the lots of fun with the balloons, and I hope you are taking good food and take care of yourself, be healthy and do the physical activity daily routine. So once again,